Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create two columns in Canva. But please keep in mind that the Canva design, which the regular Canva, like this one, and Canva document is different. So both of them allows you to create columns, but the methods are different. So let me start with a simple Canva design. This is a Canva presentation, but this can be applied to a Canva social media template or a YouTube template or basically anything that is not document. So we cannot create two columns. It's not something that is directly available. It's not in the same way like we have in Canva documents or Google documents. So instead, what you need to do is you have to create multiple text boxes and then you want to place them side by side. For example, I have this one text box, and what I need to do now, I can just click here or right click on it, and then you can click duplicate or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and D, and then we got this this duplicated element. It's the same object, same element, same everything, and then you can move it to the other side. And of course, if you want to make it similar or you want to make it look like a document, I encourage you to change the alignment to this one. The alignment should be exactly like this. You can do that for the other one, and this will create an effect that is similar to having two columns in a document. But of course, this is for Canva design. Now let's move on to a Canva document. So I have this document, and lucky for you, if you're using Canva document, now we have the ability to create two columns natively in the platform. What you need to do now is you have to place the cursor on the empty area, and then you want to type slash, or you can also click this keyboard, this plus icon, it is the same, and then you want to search for columns. So there's 2, 3, 4, you can click on anything. I'm gonna go with this columns, and then you have the option to choose how many columns that you want to have. I'm going to go with a simple 2 columns, and there you go. Now we have these 2 columns that we can populate. For example, I'm going to copy the text here. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it right here. I will do the same for the other one, and yeah, there you go. So we got these 2 columns in Canva. It's pretty simple, it's easy, and now it's available directly in the platform. So that's exactly how you can create 2 columns in your Canva design and your Canva document. I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you on the next video.